Hello students, here is one more problem for IIT aspirants and Neet aspirants. The problem is like this. A car starts moving on a straight road with acceleration a equal to 5 meter per second square, then moves uniformly for some time, and then deaccelerating at the same rate as a acceleration. जो पहले था acceleration, उसी rate से deaccelerate हो जाता है to come to rest, and finally the car stops. The total time of motion t equal to 25 seconds, and the average velocity is 72 km per hour. How long does the car move uniformly? Question is, a car starts from rest, accelerates, then moves uniformly, then deaccelerates at the same rate as the initial acceleration and comes to rest. The total time is 25 seconds and the average velocity or total interval of time is 72 km per hour. We have to find how long the car was moving with uniform velocity. That is the question. So let us start. Step number one. Step one is the question will be solved. Solution will be based. Solution is based on velocity time graphics. Velocity time graph से मैं solution निकालूंगा इसका. So what is the velocity time graph of this scenario? Car at rest, this starts with acceleration. It starts with acceleration a equal to 5 meter per second square. Then the car has a constant velocity, means acceleration during that period is 0. Then it deaccelerates and finally the velocity is 0. What is the velocity time graph for such a scenario? क्या है velocity time graph? क्या होगा इसका? तो velocity time graph is something like this. Velocity time graph is on the initial velocity is 0. Then the car has an acceleration, therefore velocity time graph must have a slope. It must have a slope, and that slope is acceleration. And then it moves with constant velocity, means velocity time graph must have slope 0. The line must be parallel to the time axis. And then it deaccelerates and finally the velocity is 0. Right? The deacceleration rate and acceleration is the same. तो ये जो यहाँ और यहाँ स्लोप वो सेम है. शायद मैंने इसका वो शायद ये शार्पर लाइन बनाया है, बट इट स्लोप हैज टू बी सेम एज दिस. तो स्लोप ये थोड़ा सा बनाना पड़ेगा सेम एज दिस. ऐसे ये है स्लोप बनाना पड़ेगा. जो इस लाइन का स्लोप है वो इस लाइन का भी स्लोप होना चाहिए. ऐसे कुछ करना पड़ेगा ऐसे. ठीक, ओके. सो अगेन this line, okay, sorry, this line is straight like this. Okay, now first of all I want to find what is the maximum velocity achieved by the car, and that will be found from this triangle, this triangle, tan theta. Tan theta is V max perpendicular by base T1. This is also T1 because of the symmetry. इस यहाँ और यहाँ सिमिट्री जो है, इसका मतलब जो T1 एक्सेलरेशन में इसको लगा है, तो रिटार्डेशन भी T1 के दौरान ही हुआ. To come, it is from rest to maximum velocity and it's from maximum velocity to rest. So slope is the same, therefore this T1 and T1 is the same. तो हमें निकालना है T2. T2 is the time in which it moves with constant velocity. So tan theta is V max by T1, that is equal to 5, because tan theta is 5, that is acceleration. That is acceleration because slope of the velocity time graph is acceleration. And here we get V max equal to 5 T1. Displacement जो है, that is given by the area of this graph. So what is the area of this graph? Total area. That's the displacement. That is 1 by 2 T1 V max, area of this triangle. तो वो 2 times हो जाएगा, plus area of this रेक्टेंगल दैट इज वी मैक्स इंटू T2। तो ये है डिस्प्लेसमेंट और ये खत्म हो जाएगा और मुझे T1 वी मैक्स, तो S इज इक्वल टू T1 वी मैक्स प्लस T2 वी मैक्स। तो वी मैक्स जो है वो किसके बराबर है? तो इट इज S इक्वल टू वी मैक्स किसके बराबर है? 5T1 के बराबर। सो इट इज T1 5T1 प्लस T2, इट इज 5T1, राइट। तो अब मेरे पास और एक ना, व्हाट इज द एवरेज वेलोसिटी? हाउ कैन आई फाइंड द एवरेज वेलोसिटी? एवरेज वेलोसिटी जो आप फाइंड करेंगे दैट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टोटल टाइम। टोटल टाइम, वो टोटल टाइम किसके बराबर है? T1 2T1 प्लस T2, 2T1 plus T2, that is S divided by 25 seconds. Total time is given to be 25 seconds. So average velocity is 72 km per hour. That's equal to S, that is 5T1 square plus 5T1 T2, right? Okay. Now this I will convert into meters per second. That is 72 into 5 by 18 will make it meters per second, is equal to 5T1 square plus 5T1 into T2. That is 4 is to 20 is equal to, how much is this? That is 5T1 square plus 5T1 T2. Now I have to find T2, but what I know is it is average velocity is called displacement, that is displacement is, that is S 5T1 square divided by 25, sorry, तो इसका भी होगा 25 डिवाइड, इसका भी 25 डिवाइड होगा, तो इट इज 20 इज इक्वल टू 5 T1 square plus 5T1. What is T2 from here? 2T1 plus T2 is equal to 25. What's T2? T2 is given by 2T1 T2 is given by 25 minus 2T1. This 25 minus 2T1, that is T2. The T2 we need to find, because finally we will use this equation to find T2. Okay, that is 20 is equal to by 25. Okay, that is 5T1 square plus okay, we'll do one thing here. We'll do one thing, that will be, okay, just a minute. It will be 20, 5 को कॉमन निकालिए ऊपर से, T1 स्क्वायर प्लस 25T1 माइनस 2T1 स्क्वायर बाई 25, 5 तो अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से 25 20 into 5, that's 100 is equal to, it will be T1 square plus 25T1 minus 2T square. तो इसको यहाँ ले आइए, that is T1 square 2T square, T1 square means minus T2 square, तो यहाँ पर T1 square T1 minus 25 t1 प्लस 100 इज इक्वल टू 0। तो यहाँ मैं t1 और क्वाड्रेटिक है तो t1 के वैल्यू निकलेंगे, दैट इज 25 प्लस माइनस रूट ऑफ 6 to 5, which is 25 into 25 minus 4ac, that's 400 by 2. So we'll get two values of t1, but we have to pick up one value, 25 plus minus, it is root of 225 by 2. It is 25 plus minus 15 by 2. So t1 will be getting 25 plus 15, that is 40 by 2, that's 20. 25 minus 15, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. So we have to pick up any of the two values. If we take 20, the value, that will make total time is t prime, that's 2t1 plus t, that is equal to 25. If we take t1 to be 20, that will make t dash equal to 40 plus t is equal to 25. That will make t negative, which is not possible. So you can't give 20 value to t1 here because that make t negative, which is not possible in the given physical case. तो इसलिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We have to take t1 equal to 5. So this is the value of t1. So what is t2? So it's t2 here, t2, 2t1 plus t2. So what is t2 now? Because t2 will have negative value if we give value t1 20. So हमें t1 का वैल्यू 20 नहीं देना चाहिए, हमें t1 का वैल्यू 5 ही देना चाहिए, क्योंकि 5 से हमें पॉजिटिव वैल्यू मिलेगा t1 को देने से, और t2 देंगे तो हमें t2 का वैल्यू नेगेटिव मिलेगा, which is not possible in the given physical case. So what should we write? That is t prime is equal to, that is 2 into 5 plus t2 is equal to 25. That is t2 is equal to 25 minus this 10. That will make t2 is equal to 15. So the car moves for 15 seconds, for constant velocity. It accelerates with 5 meters per second square, then moves with constant velocity, then deaccelerates and finally comes to rest. And we have solved the question. The car will move with constant velocity for 15 seconds only, right? Okay, this is the solution for the given problem. So I will be continuing this series of problems every day, and I think you will, I hope that you will continue to watch the lectures. Okay, thank you.